To use a credit card on the Apple Store, start by opening the Apple Store app or visiting the Apple website. If you are using the app, tap on the account icon at the top right corner. Then sign in with your Apple ID. If you are using the website, click on the account icon at the top right corner and sign in with your Apple ID. Once you are signed in, navigate to the item you want to purchase and click or tap the Buy Now button. You will be taken to a checkout page where you can review your order. On this page, click or tap on the Payment Method section and select Add Payment Method. Choose credit card as your payment method and enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the details correctly to avoid any errors. You will also be asked to enter your billing address, which should match the address associated with your credit card. After entering your credit card details, review your order and payment method to ensure everything is correct. If you have any rewards or gift cards, you can apply them to your order at this stage. Once you are satisfied with your order, click or tap the Place Order button to complete the purchase. It is essential to keep your credit card information up to date to avoid any issues with your purchases. You can do this by going to the Account Settings page and selecting Payment and Shipping. From here, you can update your credit card details, add a new payment method, or remove an existing one. When using a credit card on the Apple Store, make sure to check the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement to understand any applicable interest rates, fees, or rewards. Additionally, always keep your credit card information secure by using strong passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your account. By following these steps, you can easily use a credit card to make purchases on the Apple Store. Remember to always review your order and payment method carefully before completing a purchase. And keep your credit card information up to date to ensure a smooth and secure transaction.